Hello, very good evening. Today I'll be explaining how to read the charts, stock market chart using the candle pattern. Let's see what a candle pattern is. Um, Here you see two candles. That is, this is a time frame. Say that this is a period of 5 minutes, and this is a representation of how the price is moved in those 5 minutes or in that period. So there will be open price, there will be a close price, and a high price and low. So when the this is called a body and this is called a wick. There are two wicks here. Wicks are optional, and in the body the open is here and the close is here. The highest point it reached is here, and the lowest point here. When the open is lower and close is higher, it is called a bullish candle. Whereas when it opened at a higher price and closed at a lower price, it is called a bearish candle. Let me show you how it looks in a chart. So this is like you can go to investing.com, in.investing.com, investing.com. So here you will find charts. Make sure you have selected the country here, like can you see here the country? Okay, so it should be in.investing.com, and you can find charts and go to live charts. And here you see, usually you might have seen the charts like this. Okay, let me expand it full screen. So usually you might have seen the charts like this, like a bar chart or line chart. You might have seen this, you might have been familiar with. So this is a candle pattern similar. So each of this candle represents a period. That is, you can select the period here: 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 1 month, day, and several other time frames. So let's see let's take one candle and let me explain. So let's take this candle. The below you can see the time frame here. It is showing lower bottom. It is showing 20th July 10 a.m. candle, and this is the USD INR prices represented here. So here keep observing here it says OHLC, open, high, low, and close. As I move on the candle, it will be changing. Okay, observe this candle and read the price. Open says 74.93. It opened at 74.93 and closed at 74.96. So this is a like it where it opened, and it opened the close is higher than open, so hence it's a represented in green pattern, and high was 74.980 and low was 74.915. Hence the wick is representing the, if the open is not same as close, and open is not same as low, high is not same as close. But let's see one candle. Let's see some of the candles here. Um, See, if you see this candle, this 1645 candle, this is almost like a, this is called this doesn't have wicks, upper wick or lower wick, the upper negligible wick. So these kind of candles are called Marubozu. This is a green in color, that means the close was above the open, so hence a bullish Marubozu. So if you see the open and low are same, 74.95, 74.95, high and close are same, so almost same, 74.97, 74.97. And same way there will be bearish Marubozu as well. Here one bullish Marubozu is there. Like you see this candle, this is called bearish Marubozu. And similarly, there is you can see several other patterns of candle. Like if you move on, like if I change the time frame, it will be like to 5 minutes. So it will be like every 5 minutes there will be one representation. The price movement of 5 minutes, that is 10:45 to 10:50 is represented here. So there are several other kind of uh, candles you can see here. There's like a hammer, and this is like a inverted hammer, bullish inverted hammer, and this is like a bullish hammer, and this is also a bullish hammer, and a candle where there is no body. That means, oh, like if you see almost there is no body here, right? So this is called doji. You see this one. So the wicks are dominating here. It opened and closed almost at the same point. And there are several, like based upon the kind type of candles, the price movement can be there'll be inferences of how the market will go. So this is called a hanging man. So if you look at this candle 1615, so same here, one two, here also it is there. This is the Marubozu bullish, this is the bearish Marubozu. This is the hammer, like the wick is almost longer than the body, like this is a perfect hammer, like the wick is three times the body, 2 to 3 times. And this is like a Marubozu. And let's see some of the dojis. Dojis means like there is a indecision here, like there are many people trying to buy, many people trying to sell, but at the end, wherever it opened, it closed at the time frame at the same price. So there was no decision, market didn't go up or down. On the so this is about the candle patterns. Next video I'll make other videos telling you uh, how the patterns will, we can actually recognize patterns and see where market is going. Okay, thank you.